All right, so I'm going to pop my head in here real quick, say hello so you know I'm an actual person. It's your favorite RV salesman, Hunter. And I've tried recording this about 50 times. It's like 93 degrees out. I'm in a big metal building in a camper that's very well insulated. And I'll tell you what, it's just sweating like a pig. So this is going to become a therapy session and an RV tour. So I bought this thing. I'm just going to take it off. The Rode wireless mic. It does really good on the audio, I think, but this fuzzy thing is driving me absolutely bonkers. I hope my boss doesn't see this video, but I'll tell you what, this is going to be the weirdest freaking video ever. Watch this. I put my hand up like this. Follows me. So that's another new toy that I got. I'm trying to upgrade these videos for you guys. I'm trying just to do good in general, but we're just going to go with it. So today I'm doing a little test dummy on the 2020 Big Country 3560 SS. It is loaded up with a whole bunch of equipment. I'm going to block out their address. Okay, never mind. I'm not going to show you that. Let me go ahead and put this back in here. Look at this living room. It's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. Got some recliners here. You got some light switches. They turn on and off the lights. Oh, God, this is just not my day. I'm going to post this on there even though I shouldn't. We're just going to see how people like a rambling man in an RV who usually tries to work really hard and do a good job have a complete and total meltdown. I'm going to stare at the camera while this closes. So you got to see how the recliner works. There's a button here that does massage and heat. So that's pretty good. It's still following me. We're cool. This is a pull-out couch. It pulls out, make a bed. Actually, you know what? Why not? I need the viewer minutes. Let's just go ahead and set this bad boy up. To my parents, I apologize if this video embarrasses you to any of your friends. And Jen, you went out of town. Hey, come on, over here. Is this thing still working? Hello? Yeah? Thanks, Obama. So, you see right there, pull out bed. You come back here, lay down this little bad boy, and you're good to take a nap. Let's test this thing out for you. Oh, I'll tell you what, it's actually pretty darn comfortable. It's much more comfortable than I thought. Maybe I'll start napping in these instead of the recliners. There is a little part right here. It kind of dips up in your back a little bit, but let's be honest, it's for your guests. If you're thinking about buying an RV, I'd love if you bought it from me. I seem a little psycho. I promise I'm pretty professional. But not today. I'll treat you right, though. Be the realest RV salesman in the world, I'll tell you that. Yeah, okay. Yeah, all right. Starting off pretty good, I think. This thing still following me? It's not. So now I'll pick it up and do this. You have your 4K TV, your fireplace. That thing, I can tell you from firsthand experience, it is way hotter than it needs to be. It's a super fancy, space heater. Looks nice. They have like a little, well, here. Look at that. Changes colors. It's artsy. Little pantry here. Do you like to store things? You can do it right there. Man, I'm not on my game today. Why am I doing this? All right, high point microwave. Oven, burner, make a sick beat. Hide that. So as you can see, we're working on this camper, getting ready to get shipped out for a customer. The thing is beautiful when it's nice and cleaned up. I mean, check that out. I do think that is pretty sweet. These light bulbs here. I'm a big light bulb guy, light bulb fixture guy, and that really gets the trick done for me. And this right here, control moved in 5 minutes. Sorry, my machine was telling me in 5 minutes I can't use the gesture controls. That's okay. Hopefully this audio is even taking. We have a screwdriver made by Rigid. It's got some pretty good power to it. I highly suggest checking them out. They seem like a pretty good brand. Look at that refrigerator. Still got the protective plastic. It's kind of like after tanning for a long day, that skin starts peeling. I actually really like that part. But check out this refrigerator. In the freezer, it has an ice maker. I mean, my refrigerator in my house doesn't have an ice maker. That's pretty neat. Yeah, plenty of stuff going on right here. So we'll vacuum that stuff up, no problem. Trust me, I'm a salesman. And that little hose right there popping out, it's not supposed to actually, it will not look like that here soon. They did get a washer and dryer. It's going to be right in here. We have more tools. This time it's Chicago Electric Power Tools. Don't know anything about them. Presumably a lovely brand. But look at that thing. That's a good looking camper. It's a good looking camper. To the bedroom. Tons of storage right in here. You can put all of your belongings. Every last one. Another fireplace. Again, way hotter than necessary. Let's see if this one's got any. It's got a dimmer. So you can't change the colors on this one. It's not quite as fancy, but you can dim it. So that's pretty sweet. Another TV. This bed right here, that's nice. Might test that one out later too. Hey, look at that. Never even noticed that it has that. I don't even know what that's for. CPAP machine or something maybe? Closet. Closet's really nice. Yeah, feeling a little better, guys. I'll tell you what, I was having a stress attack earlier. All these new toys that I bought, they just weren't working. I was trying to do a video, and you know what I found out? That most people, literally, no matter what you post on the internet, somebody will watch it. I mean, I've done, you know, the King talking videos, the one Marge, speaking like a smoker's voice. People seem to like that stuff, and you know what? I've got no doubt someone's going to like watching me absolutely act like a fool. That's okay. Maybe it'll become the new series, the RV Fool. I'm sure my parents would love that one. Big Country by Heartland. They're nice campers. They don't sell quite as much volume as some of the other ones. I really, truly don't know why. They are actually very nice. I mean, look at that pass-through storage. The light's not working, but I mean, you can climb all the way in here. I mean, look at that. I'm 6 foot 285 talking to you from here. If you guys have any questions for me or have anything you want me to feature in some future videos, definitely let me know in the comments. I'm a sales guy, but we're humans too, guys. We like help. I've asked for help a couple times and no one seems to want to do it. Hey, that washer and dryer I was talking about before, that's the washer component. Look at that thing. It's pretty darn snazzy. More storage up in the front. You can put a generator there if you choose to. I didn't open up the door because I'm a ding-dong. Otherwise, I could show you the front. Achieve tighter turns. Everyone likes to turn tightly. Achieve it. Achieve it. Short bed, extended pickups, anything you want there. 2 propane tanks will provide that for free. The other side of that big old thing, auto leveling. I didn't put the flash on. This video is just getting worse by the minute. Your docking station. Well, we've about hit the 10-minute mark. So I'm going to set this down on this, this ladder here. I appreciate you guys watching. If you want some more high quality content just like this, please make sure to like and subscribe. Hi, Mom. Jen, please come home.